This is the second part of cold fusion. The first part, which we just focused on, was this part where the yo-yo goes back and forth. The second part's easy, but I wanted to break this into two steps because the first part of cold fusion is important. It's important to do it really smooth and fast and get that down because it looks good if you do it really fast. It's definitely a trick worth learning. The second part of cold fusion is pretty easy. It's based off of Buddha's Revenge. It's got an extra spin there, so let me show you. After you do the beginning of cold fusion, you end in a 1.5 mount. From here, what you do is you start as if you were doing Buddha's Revenge, like so, but instead of landing into the middle, you actually undo that roll you just did, and you go over twice, like so. You undo that roll, and you land back into a trapeze. So let me show you again. This is just the second part. When you're in this move here, it's 1.5 mount. After that part, you swing it over, just as in Buddha's Revenge. You swing it all the way back over and go twice. You undo that and land back into a trapeze. So one more time, 1.5 mount, over, twice, back over, and catch. You put those two moves together now. So we go over, over, roll, twice, and back into a trapeze. That's cold fusion. Practice it. And with a little work, you'll get it.